Most recent sales tax report from the city of Colorado Springs shows revenue was down in 2020, but not nearly as much as officials had feared earlier in the year. News 5's Andy Cohen is live from City Hall this evening with a closer look at the numbers and what some local business owners have to say. Andy.
Yeah, Elizabeth, because of the way that sales taxes are collected, this report from December is actually showing business activity from November, which is when those level red restrictions hit. We'll get the full numbers for year end of 2020 next month. But even at that, year to date, the city of Colorado Springs sales tax revenue down less than about a fraction of a percent, which is notable given, some of the budget cutting measures like hiring freezes that the mayor had put in place, fearing the worst during the pandemic. The fajitas at Jose Muldoon's come to your table sizzling hot.
Carne asada, grilled chicken, you've got the sauteed shrimp.
Assistant General Manager Adam Hiles says now that the dining room is open again, they've hired back almost everyone that they had to lay off. Restaurants were one of the harder hit industries last year, with sales taxes down citywide about 14%.
We had as much business as we could possibly fit in here, with all the regulations.
Another hard hit sector, clothing stores, down about 20%.
When we first opened back up after the lockdown, business was good. And then things just kind of started deflating a little bit with the more restrictions that happened.
At Halo Boutique, they've stocked up on comfy winter sweaters, hats, and scarves. Manager Cynthia Kiss Davis says that promotions like the downtown gift cards and ice skating rink helped, but fewer people stopped by toward the end of the year.
Because the restaurants weren't able to either be open or they were only allowed to have that 25% capacity, we just did not have that traffic.
The sales tax data reflect our changing lifestyles. Online sales were higher, and so too were taxes at grocery stores. The construction industry had very high growth, with building materials up about 17%. And while the challenges from the pandemic aren't over yet, these business leaders want you to know they appreciate your support this year.
I just want to continue to thank our customers, and we're going to be here as long as you guys will keep us around.
It was definitely not an easy year for anybody, but we couldn't have gotten through without, the public support.
And a gentle reminder that when you do buy those gift cards or order takeout or delivery, it really does help. And if you have some reservations about showing up and shopping in person, the ladies at Halo want you to know that they actually can let you block out a 30-minute window of time where you can have the shop all to yourself to try on what you would like. If you'd like to find a directory for all of the downtown businesses, just head over to downtowncs.org. They'll help you shop small in the new year. Always watching out for you, Colorado Springs. Andy Cohen, News 5.